In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Outlook add-in for Odoo. We'll go through the full setup process from inside Odoo first, and then finish everything in Microsoft Outlook. This is a straightforward configuration, but it's important to do it in the right order so the add-in can connect properly to your database. To begin, log into your Odoo database and go to Settings, then General Settings. This is where Odoo keeps the main platform-wide options, including features related to external tools and email integrations. If you don't immediately see all available settings, make sure you have the appropriate access rights, since some integration options are only visible to administrators. Once you're in General Settings, scroll down until you find the Integration section. In this area, look for the option called Mail Plugin and check the box to enable it. This step is essential because it activates the feature that allows Outlook to communicate with Odoo. Without turning this on, the Outlook add-in won't be able to function correctly. After enabling the Mail plugin, click Save in the top left corner. Don't skip this part. Even if the option is checked, it won't actually be applied until the settings are saved. It's always a good idea to wait a moment and make sure the page finishes updating before moving on. Next, open your Microsoft Outlook mailbox. You can do this either in Outlook on the web or in the desktop application, depending on which version you normally use. Once Outlook is open, select any email. Opening an email helps surface the options where add-ins are usually managed, and it also gives you a quick way to test the integration once installation is complete. Now install the Outlook add-in. The exact location of the install option can vary slightly depending on whether you're using the web version or desktop version of Outlook, but the goal is the same. Add the Odoo Outlook integration to your mailbox. During this stage, just follow the on-screen prompts in Outlook and complete the installation. Finally, connect your database. This is the step where the add-in links Outlook back to your Odoo environment. Make sure you choose the correct database if you work with more than one. Once the connection is complete, the add-in should be ready to use from within Outlook, making it easier to associate emails with records in Odoo and streamline your workflow. That's it. Your Outlook add-in for Odoo should now be configured and ready to go.